I had recently come to the town of La Paz in the west side of Mexico after going on a 17-hour boat ride.
Hello everybody, welcome to another video. In this video we're gonna explore the city of La Paz in the Baja California Peninsula, Baja California Sur, located actually right beneath California in the United States. So today I'm gonna show you the town and also a really incredible beach. So let's head out and explore this city.
I was on my way down to the beach. I'd been walking through the town and could almost see the blue color of the ocean. The town is located on the inside of the Baja California Peninsula, so it seems like there are almost never any waves in this area.
Welcome to the beach here in the town of La Paz. I walked down this small little road here and I saw that the beach is actually closed. But we're gonna continue walking, and then we're also gonna take a bus over to one of the most famous beaches here, and hopefully that is gonna be open. On my way over to this little boat marina that you can see, and I'm gonna look at the boats there and then hopefully take an Uber and go over to one of the most famous beaches here in town. Here is actually one of few towns where I've seen that they have Uber. It's banned in a lot of cities in Mexico because the taxi business got really mad at Uber, so they banned it in a lot of places in Mexico. But here they have it, so we're gonna take an Uber probably over to the beach instead of a taxi. I bought a little bag of chips here, and we have all the birds now. They also want chips. Birds also like chips. So here we have the La Paz sign. Every town in Mexico, as I've said before, they have a sign with colorful letters and the name of the town. It's actually colder here in La Paz compared to where I came from, further down south, obviously. But in the sun, it feels so much hotter, more hot, like it's complete deep frying. My face feels like it's cooking and frying. I'm not sure why, because it should be, the frying should be much stronger further down south than what it is here, but it's the opposite, deep frying. So I kept walking for a bit and just now got out to the boat marina. So we're gonna check out the sailboats here and then take the Uber over to this other beach.
It was a beautiful day in the town of La Paz and the sun was shining. I was really enjoying my walk through the town, and I could also see a really nice restaurant there, but not so many people.
So the Uber that I'm about to take is actually gonna take 35 minutes because it's to the very end of the peninsula here. Hello.
I got into the Uber and I didn't know what I was getting myself into. We started driving and I had realized that all of this area was a complete desert. Almost nothing was growing and the ground totally dry. We got stopped by the security guy at the intersection leading into the beach called Balandra Beach.
So we have a really bad situation here now, actually, really bad. I got dropped off here by the Uber drive, and the road into this beach was closed, so he dropped me off a little bit further out, and the security guard that was over there said we could walk to the beach across this mountain here all the way over there and into the beach. But the problem is that I didn't bring any water, and I might not be able to find an Uber ride. Probably, for sure not. And also I just saw that there's no internet here. Like, there's no internet connection, so for sure I cannot find an Uber to go back. I probably should not have gotten off here. It's like a desert also, it's pretty hot, and nobody's here. But we have to go to this beach now that I was in a 35-minute ride. We cannot turn around. The question is, how are we gonna get back into town? I always bring water, always. Today I was like, I forgot, I was like, I'm just gonna go there 1 hour and film a bit, so I didn't bring any water. So I've been dropped off in the desert with no water. How did this happen? This is not good actually. But I still wanna go across the mountain. It's probably a really bad idea, it looks kind of far. Hello everybody! Here we go. The sun is right in front of my face on the way up. This walk better be worth it.
My camera had fallen in the wind and the lens was broken and out of focus.
I decided to put on my jacket so we don't get fried on our head and arms. I'm up here now. We have two sides here, water there and water there. My lens is broken. You can see that everything is out of focus. The wind was really strong over there.
I had come up to the top of the mountain and I could see the beaches on both sides.
Is it really worth it just to try and find this stupid beach? I have to film with the phone now because the camera is broken. It can't focus anymore, as you can see.
It was a great hike and I could see some incredible views of the landscape as I was sitting on top of the mountain all alone. I had come to a famous beach called Balandra Beach. However, I was a bit late as the tidal waves had already retracted. I still had no idea how I was gonna get back to town, since I had not seen any people.
I can see the beach here now, and I can also see some people down there. This stupid security guy over here.
I didn't have much longer to go, and I could see two people from the viewpoint.
I just came down here to the parking lot and I saw that it's like a 3-minute walk to the guy where he stopped us in the car and didn't let us in. So apparently I found out from some people here also that they let only 100 people into this beach. And then if you want to go, you have to walk around the mountain. That's the only way. I'm sitting here on the beach, really sad about my camera. But we gotta go and figure out how to get back. We have a long ways to go to get back. So let's see how that's gonna work.
Apparently only a total of 100 people are allowed to go to this beach per day. Otherwise you have to hike across the mountain. I had seen 2 Americans on the beach that had arrived really early in the morning. I wanted to go swimming, but also didn't want to miss my chance to get a ride from my new friends. They were the only people here, which was lucky for me, otherwise I would not have had a ride back home.
They gave me 3 beers also, so I had 3 beers. It's been the first time in a while since I had 3 beers. I usually drink 1 beer and that's it.
Just let me know.
I had been rescued and we were on the way back to the town of La Paz. 1 hour later.
So I actually walked out to see if I could find some food. But everything is closed here. Usually Oxo is open all day, all night, but not here. It seems a bit strange, this town. Lots of things are closed and they block off the road in the middle of the night. Here is a cathedral, I think. Standing here speaking to myself. There is one person walking by every now and then. But I could not stop filming, my friends. We had to keep going even though the camera broke. Oh, I found the hot dog stand actually. Perfect. Oh, I came back to the hotel room and I put on my other lens now. You can see that it looks different. Yeah, I'm really sad that my lens broke, but I'm really happy that I got a ride back from the Americans that I met. What a day. Broken lens, and I broke my camera screen a few days ago. Really bad times. But my Mexico trip is almost over. I just have to go to Cabo San Lucas and then my visa will be expiring, so I have to fly out from Mexico. Hopefully, maybe we can find a new lens in Cabo San Lucas. Hopefully, but it's gonna be expensive. I don't want to buy it. This is the lens that broke actually. This one that I put on my camera. Say also, thank you very much for watching this video, and please give it a thumbs up, post a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I just keep breaking my camera stuff, drones and lenses. I'm not focused anymore, so we need to find a new lens and then get more focus so we can make good videos again. But thank you everybody, and see you next time. I will not give up until I reach 100,000 subscribers, so I will be back. Thanks again and see you next time.